In this very quick video guide, I want to show you a quick trick that you can use to manage better your cameras in Blender. Now, as you can see here, I've created a quick scene. So I'm just gonna go to new, general. Let's start from the beginning. So this is what you usually find once you open Blender. So I'm gonna get rid of this cube to make things a little bit more interesting, but if you want, you can keep it and just use the cube. So right now I'm gonna use Blender Kit. And by the way, you will find a lot of guides in the channel talking about all these add-ons like Blender Kit and others. So I'm gonna search for a house, and I just found this one right here. So I'm just gonna click and drag this just to make things more interesting. So once I have this, you can see that the house is in the middle of the scene, and this is the standard camera. So if I click on this button to get inside the camera, well, this is not really fun to see. We are just framing, we are just seeing the shingles. So we want a different point of view, a different framing for our shot using this camera. And a quick way we can move this is to select it in the scene collection here in the scene outliner and press G. So if I press G, I will kind of lock the camera to the view. But then if I want to do something else, like move back and forward using the scroll wheel, you can see that it's not actually moving, but it's changing the field of view. So we're changing the lenses. So we don't really want to do that. And if I move around, you can see I can go outside and I can see my camera. So a quick way to use the navigation system of Blender. So basically the pan using shift and clicking middle mouse, scrolling the wheel to make the zoom, and clicking the middle mouse button to do orbit. Now, if we want to use this in combination with the camera, all we need to do is press N, or we can just go up here and click on this little arrow to access the sidebar. And let's look for the View tab. So in the View tab, I want to close everything. You need to go here to View, so the first one, and then View Lock. Here you can lock the camera to the view. So this means that if I am now inside the camera by clicking with this button right here and I move around, not only I will navigate my scene, but I'm also keeping the camera with me. So I'm just moving and positioning the camera. So it's an excellent tool to manage the position of the camera, the point of view, and the framing of our shot. So you can see how it works. So when I'm finished, I can just unlock the camera. And now if I move again, I can go outside and see where my camera was brought by this navigating of the 3D scene. Now, if I want to create another camera, I can go here, anywhere actually, and go to Add Camera, and this is gonna bring the camera in the middle of my scene, and then I can move that around. But it's really difficult, to move this and understand what I am pointing at, so I need to go inside. And this is still the previous camera, so if I want to move to this other one, I need to click here on this green camera button, and then now I am in this new camera. And then I can do again lock camera to view and fix this as well. So this will be my other view. Now there is also another add-on, but I talk about this in another video, which is called Stored Views. You can search it in the channel, which will help you to handle and manage better more cameras, multiple cameras. So right now we're just focusing on this feature right here. And actually this will be all for this video guide. If you're interested in Blender, you will find a lot of video guides and courses in the channel, also about other similar software. So this will be all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to stay updated. If you want to support us, if you want to say thank you, please join the channel as a supporter. See you in the next video guide.